Objection. There is no structural racism, because the concept of racism has been stretched and now anything can be called racism.
You may have a case here, but let's clarify that there are narrow and broad understandings of racism as a concept. In my reading of the scientific literature, narrow understandings of racism often break down on close examination. For instance, if we insist on physical aspects, we imply that there are objective differences, and we ignore changing classifications over time of what we consider visible. Take Jews in Nazi Germany. While there was a lot of focus on visibility, in practice this didn't work. Had visible differences been enough, they wouldn't have needed stars to make apparent purported differences or air in passports to show purity. In the end, we need to talk about racism if we want to talk about what it means for society. We can discuss whether a broad or narrow approach is useful to do this, but if we reject the notion of racism because it's sometimes stretched, we also deny it in all the cases where it applies.